Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video, guys, we are actually, guys, playing, guys, in my laptop right now. I know, I never play in my laptop, guys. But in today's video, guys, we are playing here, and we're gonna teach you guys how to literally, guys, create your own shirt for free without come on, guys, without like having Builders Club or Roblox Premium. So guys, first let's go to Roblox.com. See, I don't have, guys, Builders Club and Roblox Premium. That's why, guys, I'm listing today's video, guys, like how to make your own shirt, guys, for without Builders Club or Roblox Premium, guys. Let's go. So go to here. Look, guys, I don't even have that. Okay, so go to home and search HTTP. Wait, okay, let's search HTTPS and column and then slash web.roblox.com, guys, /develop. So guys, you need to do that, guys, /develop right now. And here we are, literally, guys, in there, guys. I have 3 games right now. This is my, guys. Be sure to play my game. It's called the hardest obby ever. And when you go, guys, go down and you see t-shirts. We're about to make that. Oh, you got to make pants, guys. You can wait. So I think we're gonna go to that another video. And while I'm going to pants, can we go to t-shirt right now, guys? T-shirts. There you go. We go to t-shirts right now. Look, guys, I've made my own t-shirt called Golden Magic Official to be 25 subs white t-shirt, and make another one and made another one. OMG, bro. Wait, bro, how do you do that? How did you do that shirt? Hey, bro. Look at this shit. Peaky, bro. Let's just chat that on my. It's moderated. Roblox, please. So, guys, I want Roblox added call. Okay, now stop chitty chat. So now you need to go here to ipeaky.com. Wait, what? I didn't press that. What the? Okay, guys, we're gonna go down here. Go link. I'll check the link in the description, guys. Go to create a design. iPeaky is loading, guys, and you should have your Adobe Flash Player allowed, okay? Because it's run by Adobe Flash Player. If you don't know, like that, guys, click to run Adobe Flash Player, and then look, guys, it's gonna be loading like that. Just the loading bar over here. I was so curious what is that, like lagging or something. That's why, guys, I'm there waiting a while, waiting so long, and yeah, we need to wait for ages. Guys, this is literally waiting for ages. I'm really sorry, guys, but be sure to smack the like button down below. Subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet, guys. Really appreciate it. I need to get, guys, 1,000 subscribers, guys. We need to do this right now. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm literally snapping right now. Like every second. Guys, I don't know what to do. I mean, it's been 4 minutes right now. OMG. Hurry up. Okay, now click new, guys. And turn the width and height 128. And the height as well, 128. So I tell you, guys, the better chance is to like white. So you can like do anything that you want. Yeah, background, guys. We need the background right now, guys. The background, okay. You need, guys, a beautiful, lovely background right now. So if you want to, guys, that's how you do it. And then normal. Wait, screen. What? Oh, okay, guys, normal right now. And zooming in, because that's really heck small, guys. That's really big now. There you go, guys. Zooming right now. And I'm going to add the text, guys. over here, I'm gonna like extend it a bit. Wait, don't extend it by the way, cause the words will be like, okay, go here and go to this one, your text here, and change it, guys, into what you like. So we're gonna do golden magic. There you go, guys. I mean, the golden magic one. I'm gonna do, guys, like that, and I'm gonna make it bigger. So, and I'm gonna do, guys, 25. All you need to do, guys, click it again, and there you go. You have your new. So 25. 25. It's gonna be big, guys. Look, that big is there. I'm gonna add another one, guys. It's over here. Let's put there. Oh, I was actually wrong. There, guys. Said subscribers. There you go, guys. I'm gonna make it big so anyone can see it. And boom. Look at that golden magic. 25 subscribers. Booyah, guys. When you save. I mean, I would recommend it if you have a laggy laptop. Normal, guys. Like me, I have a laggy laptop. Recommend that. Save to my computer, bro. This is shocking right now. What is... Ow. We're shocking right now, guys. I'm gonna load... Rages. There you go. So there you go. Save as, guys, to your like folder something. Alright, guys. So, hey guys, we're gonna make this design, guys. Peach W. What? Desktop. I want desktop. Alright, Peaky design, guys. 3. There you go. Save it. Just save it, guys. Save it. And if it said image save like that, it will be saved. Now go back to your disk and create choose file right now. And bro, gonna pick this. I pick the 3, guys, and do open. And that's not my name, guys. It's golden magic shirt subs. Okay, guys, there you go. 3, 2, 1, upload it, guys. Don't wait. T-shirt successfully. When you know, Sean, it's bad, Sean. It's bad. Look, I'm editing. Well, guys, look. Go to your avatar. You will literally see, guys, your shirt right now. No way. Okay, guys, let me remind you, this is a t-shirt, not a shirt, guys. The difference between the t-shirt and the shirt, guys, is that a shirt shirt is like what you're wearing right now, and a t-shirt is only you wearing at the front. So you may need a shirt, guys, like that, guys. Under here. There you go. Let's add some items we don't want, guys. We don't. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Wait. No. Oh, okay, guys. It's still loading right now. Look at that. It's still loading. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, let me tell you, it will actually show up, guys. It will show up in the next video because my laptop is laggy. It will turn up in a second, guys. But be sure, guys, to smack that like button down below. Subscribe, guys, and see you next time.